Hello and welcome back to MTS. In this video, we are going to cover using the command yum for the purposes of installing and removing a package. So let's get straight into it. One thing to note, to execute yum commands, it requires an admin account or root level access. In this case, we are already logged in as root and we are going to install a package and remove it. To install a package, the command is going to be yum install and the package name. In this case, we're going to install HTTPD. You can add the Y argument, but you do not have to. The Y stands for yes, and that Y argument pertains to answering this question, is this okay, for the total download size and install size and everything else. If you hit yes here, that equates to the Y argument. The yum list install command gives us a list of all the packages installed on the server. In this case, we are just going to look for the HTTPD package, which we just installed. If you'd like to see all the packages, you would just run the yum list install command. To remove a particular package from your server, the command will be yum remove and the package name. Again, you can list the Y argument in the command, and this will just answer yes to the question that is brought up. I will use the Y argument in this command. Right here, so it tells you that this package has been removed. And if we use the same list install for the same package we just removed, we will see that the package doesn't exist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.